Started?
Yeah, started.
Right.
Let's go, man.
Welcome guys, we're making
Alright.
a video today on how to do the best margarita possible. First and foremost, we're going to get salt onto the edge of the glass. So you get yourselves a little bit of citrus juice on the edge of the glass and just gently tap it onto some salt here. Shake off the excess and your glass is ready. Margarita is a very personalized drink, guys. If you like it on the spicy side, you can put some chili flakes instead. Amazing. What we're going to use today is El Jimador, a beautiful handcrafted tequila from Jalisco, Mexico, 258 meters above sea level. This is being distilled. El Jimador is the word for the people that harvest the agave. This Blanco is 100% blue agave, and we're going to pair it with Cointreau, French orange liqueur. Tequila was a double, Cointreau is going to be a single. Now this brings that sweetness into the drink, that's going to uplift it. Bang! Very simple. 3 ingredients. What we're going to do is add some fresh lime. The beauty of fresh lime, it's got all these essential oils which bring it a bit more character and zestiness to the drink. Boom. So, we're going to grab some ice. You want plenty of ice in the shaker, guys. Throw everything in and tap it. One hand on each side so everything stays together and doesn't explode. And give it a good shake.
And a smile.
And a smile. Now, to pop it open, lots of people I've witnessed can make a mistake here and it explodes and all sorts. So you want to tap it where there's a little gap. Bang.
Boom.
Get the little bits of extra margarita and into it here. What you want to do now is give it a little quality control and see if you like the balance. If it's too sweet or too sour, you can always adjust it here. While it's in the shaker is the best time to do that. Side note, if you do like your spicy margaritas, guys, you can always add any of these into the shaker and shake it with it. It's up to you how spicy you like it. Less is more. Always add less, and if you want it more, you can add it afterwards. Now, we need to spread out all the little tiny pieces. The reason we do this is so that you don't get little shards of ice in your margarita that are melting away while you're sipping it. That's going to melt and cause dilution. And there we have it, guys. A delicious, refreshing classic. If you have a bottle of mezcal at home and you want to try it with mezcal, it will work exactly the same recipe. If you like to put it in a highball with grapefruit soda, you'll have yourself a Fallow now.
Nice.
Cool. And the finishing touch. There's your little garnish. Salud, guys.
Salud.